Hey, crypto enthusiasts, tired of limit option on Binance US? Wondering how to access the full Binance.com experience from the United States in 2025? You are in the right place. I am going to show today we are diving into the workaround, but the huge disclaimers this involve a VPN and it's essential to understand the risks. So you are probably know Binance is not the directly accessible to the US resident. Instead, we have Binance US, which, while legit, have fewer coins and features, but with a VPN, we can technically bypass these restrictions. A VPN or a virtual private network masks your IP address, making it appear as though you are browsing from the another country. Step 1. Choose a reliable VPN. I recommend doing your research and selecting the proven provider known for the speeds and the security and the server location. Some popular choices include ExpressVPN. Step 2. Install and set up your VPN. Download the VPN app your device and follow the installation instructions. Step 3. Connect to the server outside the US. Choose a country where Binance.com is accessible. Location like Mexico could offer good speeds. Step 4. Log into the Binance.com. Once connected to the VPN, head over the Binance.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, you will need to create one and ensuring you have a phone number and ID from the eligible country. Now, before you jump in, let's talk risk. Binance terms and the US use the state and the US resident should use Binance US. Using a VPN circumvent this the could lead the account suspension. Additionally, you will need to verify your identity on Binance.com and faking this illegal. We do not condone any illegal activities or violating local laws. So there you have it, a potential way to the access Binance.com from the US in 2025. But remember, it's crucial to weigh the risk and ensure you are following all applicable laws and regulations. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there in the crypto world.